How to see deleted messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will show you how you can see deleted messages on Instagram, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now I will show you how you can find deleted messages. Open up Instagram first, and then I have one account, and then I'll show you I have another account. So I'll send a message from this account to this account, and I'll show you that if I delete it, how can this person see my deleted message. So first I'll just go ahead and then send a specific message over here. So as you can see, I've sent a message. Now once you've sent a message, you can see that I have received a notification. Now I will go ahead and then simply undo it over here. So I'll just tap on the unsend option. Once I tap on the unsend option over here, you can see I have unsent that message. Now I'll come back to this profile over here. So I'll just come back over here. I'll switch my profiles. Now for this profile, this person has not seen the message yet, but you can see that somebody actually unsent a message. So in order to see that deleted messages, we have to use a phone's feature called notification history. Now notification history is at least available on almost all smartphones these days if you're using the latest Android operating system. To find it, you have to tap on settings and then go to the option called notifications, and then again go to advanced settings. Here tap on notification history, make sure this is turned on, and you can see Instagram. Now even though this message was unsent and deleted earlier, you can see the context over here. It was written this message right over here, but if you turn this feature off, you'll not be able to find the messages. That is how you can see deleted messages on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.